day I'm out here slicing filthy germs and viruses, show your ugly face. Won't let them get away, I'll chase them. We are professionals, we're cells that work for you. And so, here we go. Let's get down to work, let's get down to work. Every day's a battlefield, you better prepare.
37 trillion and we are only two. Still I hope that one day soon we'll meet again. Though we don't know who you are, for your sake we're working hard. All of us together are supporting you with all of our hearts. No matter what kind of strife, each of us would risk our life. We always take pride in what we do, and health comes first.
To keep the peace, we're here to defend. We wear lots of hats, come on and watch what we